In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not being able to receive photos on iMessage. This is a common issue that many iPhone users face, but don't worry, I'll guide you through a simple process to fix it. Let's start by checking your network connection. Your iMessage relies on a stable network, so first ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or that your mobile data is enabled. If you're in an area with low connectivity, it's worth trying to move to a location with a better signal. Sometimes just switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help, so give that a try. Next, let's make sure that your iMessage is enabled. Head over to your settings, then apps, and select messages. Once you're there, make sure that the iMessage toggle is turned on. If it was off, switching it on might just resolve the issue right away. Now let's talk about storage space. An iPhone that's running low on storage can cause a host of issues, and this might be one reason why you're not receiving photos. Go to Settings, then General, and tap on iPhone Storage. This will give you a detailed view of your available storage. Clear out some space if necessary, ensuring you have enough room to receive and store incoming photos. A simple but effective solution is to restart your iPhone. This can refresh your system and clear out minor glitches. If your device hasn't been restarted in a while, this could resolve the problem you're experiencing. Another crucial area to check is the date and time settings. A mismatch here can affect the functioning of iMessage. Navigate over to Settings, tap on General, and go to Date and Time. Make sure that Set Automatically is turned on. This ensures your device always displays the correct date and time, which is especially important if you've traveled across time zones recently. If none of these have worked so far, resetting your network settings could be the answer. Head to Settings, then General, and from there tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be prepared to re-enter them afterward. However, it can be instrumental in fixing any lingering network-related issues affecting your iMessages. Finally, let's look into any available iOS updates. Navigate to Settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If an update is available, make sure to install it. Sometimes such issues stem from software bugs, and updates often come with patches that can solve these. By now you should have a fully functioning iMessage capable of receiving photos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.